Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the before and after for my blacksmith shop build. It started off as a firewood shelter. I ended up storing bikes in, and I wanted something better, so I got this. Now I liked how it turned out. Worked on this afternoons, evenings, and weekends after work, and I just like how it came out. You have a corrugated steel roof, uh, plywood paneling that I stained with a vinegar and steel wool stain that reacted nicely with the wood. I added a old worldy stone foundation to get that sort of old blacksmith shop look to it, like it's been there a while. Ended up going with a barn door instead of a hinge door because it ended up looking a lot cooler. And inside, yeah, see my temporary LED lights, but it's completely undone in there. Right now, I'm just used it for storage for stuff I was building the shed with, or the shop with. So in the future, I'm going to have a few more videos of the more important interior build. The setup of the blacksmithing, the welding, and the woodworking sort of areas, and how they'll work together. And hopefully I won't have to move stuff around. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and should be an interesting ride. I have high hopes for this space, and I think it'll look pretty good. A little higher than standard shop look to it, and it should be fun. So again, we're going into winter now. It's nice to have the four walls up so I can heat the space, have the forge running, and be able to slowly work on the interior components and the interplay of the tools, the working areas. So, like I said, I stained the outside with the vinegar and steel wool stain, and it came out. It looks much older than the original, you know, virgin blonde wood that was on there. It was very bright, and that stonework on the bottom, where I worked the field stone in between the concrete piers. I really like how that came out, and forgive the uh, the solar floodlight there. It doesn't sort of fit, but as you can see, the stonework here I think came out really nice. And it looks like it's been there a while, and it's not an eyesore at all. I think it looks pretty good. Dresses up the yard. So it's fun to do. I had the corrugated roof was the hardest part, getting up there and getting it secured. First time I've done just about any of this stuff. Just learning on my own, no blueprints. And but I think it came out pretty good. The barn door parts, I got those hangers from Amazon, and then that's a super strut that the barn door is hanging off of for electrical stuff. And really, it's just nothing anybody can't buy at any store or on Amazon. So hit the subscribe button, like I said, and I'm going to have plenty of builds coming up for the interior and beyond. Thanks.